This is an uncut behind the scenes of an FPV house tour. This was an extremely difficult flight because this area where we're filming is on a hill and it has a lot of breeze coming off the sea. We tried both waiting for like 10 minutes to see if the wind would die down, or even just starting from the door so we didn't have to fight the wind to enter the house. Alrighty. So it's super windy right here. Extremely insightful observation, thank you. Anyway, so the Mini 5 Pro struggled just to get my regular drone shots, and it was extremely hard to line up the FPV drone to go into the house. But at the end, I knew it'd be worth it to get the view going into the house, so that's why we tried one more time. Before I started flying, I took pictures of all the rooms and spoke with the real estate agent to make sure I had a good understanding of how she wanted to show off the property. I did one take before this just to make sure I knew the layout of the property. I edited the final video in DaVinci Resolve, did the color grading, and I did the stabilization in Gyroflow. I'll shut up now, but the finished video is at the end. Still just a little tight. Hope you can hear me with all the wind. Alright, so let's check out the first bedroom. Nice and smooth. There we go. Keep the bed in the frame. Keep at the closet. Alright. And nice and smooth transition out. Kind of peep at the bathroom and check out the second bedroom. So we'll go right into this one. Let's kind of hang by the chandelier and come down. Try not to hit the post. Don't hit the walls. Alright, nice and slow. So you see the kitchen from this angle. And then we'll turn and slightly peep the living room, but check out the bathroom. Nice and easy. There we go. Don't hit the door. Alright, over to the living room. Focus on the chairs, table. A nice slow orbit. And let's show the outside now. With the pool. And then swing back around. One more time through the kitchen. A little slow here. And then out the door. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any questions about the process or how I make these videos, and I'll see you in the next one.